Okay, so last time we have seen this node called .e node, and today we're gonna explore this new node, text-to-speech node. So, for example, here in this flow, we're gonna show a text node with this text whenever the user asks about energy audits. But what if, for whatever reason, you want to show, instead of showing a text, you want the same text but in an audio format? You can use this text-to-speech node. What you need to do is add this text-to-speech node, then cut the text, remove the node, and pass it here. And you can choose different voices from here. If you click on the ear icon, you can hear the voice.
Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
Okay, let's see this one.
We make our own fortunes and we call them fate.
Okay, this is nice. We can also test the text-to-speech node inside the flow editor if you click on this button.
Yes, Bright Home Solutions offers energy audits to help identify areas where your home can become more
Okay, great. So what you need to do is first save. Then you have to save the audio inside the variable, because the next thing you need to do is to add an audio node and show this audio to your client. So first you need to save it inside this one. I created one called text-to-speech audio output, and here for the audio node I have to select the same variable, then save. And instead of getting simple text, now let's see, I already have the question here, the question that will trigger this flow. Nice. Can you give me energy
Yes,
audits?
Bright Home Solutions offers energy audits to help identify areas where your home can become more energy efficient. Our energy audit service evaluates factors like insulation, lighting, heating, and cooling systems, and provides personalized recommendations for eco-friendly improvements. Would you like to schedule an energy audit or learn more about the process?
Great. So this is a text-to-speech node. This is what it means. Instead of showing a simple text, you just convert it to an audio or speech and show it using this audio node to the client. However, here I need to remind you of something. See here, this text-to-speech node, it's right now it is using 11 Labs API. And here in the configuration tab, we have here 11 Labs API key. So without this key, the node will not work. Let's remove it, then save. If you get back to this node, we're gonna see a warning with the text you should add an 11 Labs API key in the chatbot configuration first. So without that API key, this node will not work. Let's get back and put it again, past, then save. Get back to the flow. Yeah, now it's working fine. Okay, so hopefully this is clear. We still have one node, which is OpenAI Node. Let me get back to another one. So OpenAI, let me remove this, is basically a node that you use if you want to use AI, artificial intelligence, inside your flow. Not outside, inside the chatbot, but actually in the flow. So let me give you an example to make it clear for you. Here, for example, we have this API request node. This one we'll call this API URL. Let's wait a few seconds. Great. So here we have order number, status, estimate delivery date, carrier tracking. But this one is JSON code. This is not very clear to a normal user. That's why here we have to add status, which is this one, and then put the variable inside. Put this value in transit or cancelled or shipped, etc. inside a variable called order status, then show it to the user. Let's see here, your order number, order number, status is then order status, or we can select it from here. Let's search by the word order status. We have shown this last time when we were explaining API request node. Let's get back here and type I wanna see my order status. Okay, gonna ask me for the number. Let's put any number because it's just a test. Your order number, etc. Status is processing. Okay, but what if I want to not only show the status but everything? Here I need to remove status. Save. Then get back and ask the same question. What about order? Give another number. Please provide number. Okay, no problem. It seems the number you provide is not valid. Okay, let me give a only digit number. Okay, your order status is, see here, this one is the same as this. It's a JSON code, but the user cannot understand this because it's not meant to be understood by the user. This one, which is called JSON, it's only used by developers and softwares. So here we can use an API. So what we need to do is add an API node, and here we can say, for example, summarize this variable to the user, etc. And we add this variable order status, which will have everything here. Okay, so we add it here, order status, and save the data, save the variable inside order status summarized. This one, it's called like this. This variable I added from the variable tab. And what else? Now we add the text node. Let me get back. So the same thing except one small difference. Here the order number, I think. Where is it? Order number. Okay. Cut and okay. Is, but instead of showing this, we're gonna show this one. And let's see the difference. And save. Okay. I have another order. Another order. You're gonna ask me for the order number, put another number, and check this one. Okay, your order status is the variable represented an order with the following details. See here, it show the actual details that came from the API, but in a human readable way, like a natural language way. This is why we need artificial intelligence sometimes inside a flow to do some stuff like manipulating some variables or anything else. It's just an AI task inside the flow. So here, instead of showing this one, which is a simple code, we make it as a standard text that the user can understand. Here it say order number, status, estimated delivery. Okay, let me just change here, instead of summarize this variable, let me say it's just summarize in a human to the user. Sorry for my English. I think this is okay. Human understandable. And save that. Ask. Okay. I have an order 143. Let's see. I check the status. Yes. I want to trigger this flow. Yes, my order number is 443. I want to check its status. And okay, your order status is, which is this one, your order status is, and here a different way, your order number have been cancelled. Okay, so cancelled is coming from this status. It was originally estimated to be delivered by, where this come from this code, estimate delivery and the date with different format, but the AI changed the format to an actual date that you can understand, and was being shipped by via EcoShip. What's this? The AI understand that this courier means that it was shipped by. That's why it's it mentioned here. You can track it using. Okay. How about the order number 226? Okay, let's see. Come on. Okay, I didn't get an answer yet. Let me say, give me its status. Okay, your order 226, this one, you order has been returned. It was shipped via and estimated delivery. Yeah, so that's what an OpenAI node is. It's using an AI task inside the flow. That's it. Hopefully you understand those two last nodes inside the flow, text-to-speech node and OpenAI node. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click on the notification bell button. Thank you so much.